Yalla madam, bye bye. Come quickly.
Yes.
You want to go? So hello everyone. So yan guys, ngayon ayan lalabas tayo for delivery. So may mga delivery tayo for today. So marami tayong order para sa reseller, rebranding at saka yung mga normal na order. So lalabas tayo for delivery ngayon. Anya, it's too hot outside but we have to do it. So yan, pang kabuhayan kumbaga.
Dedication guys, dedication.
What?
Dedication.
Dedication, you're dedicated? Wow, how about your first salary? So yan guys, nakatanggap siya ng una niyang sahod. He's employee of Film Collection. So,
I'm graphic designer.
Graphic designer, siya yung gumagawa ng mga brochure. So, yan. Andito naman si Madam, ito yung
delivery girl.
Delivery girl, general manager and slash everything. So, yan si Madam. So,
she's the jack of all trades. She can do everything.
And for me, I am
Other phone, babe.
pampagulo. So, for the meantime, ito naman yung ano natin for pick up. Yan. Ito yung for pick up natin. So, ang mangyayari, pupunta lang yung courier dyan. So, pick up yung delivery na yan. So, papunta yan sa Fujairah, Ajman. Basta throughout United Arab Emirates. So, yan. So, tayo ngayon. So, ito naman guys, itong mga to, kasi malapit lang dito yan. So, i-deliver natin by car. So, yan.
So hey guys, this is another day of delivery, another day, another delivery. So today we have actually 2 deliveries. We have in Al Rigga and then after that we will have in Dafza. So this is probably the longest delivery we had, so that's good. And I'm feeling great about it. So what do you guys think, Madam?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. And if you want inspired perfume, you can visit our Facebook page. Promote our Facebook page at Film Collection, at TikTok page at Film Collection. And yeah, you want regret it. It's oil based and oil made from France. So pampasalubong, pang personal na gamit at pang regalo. So there you have it.
Yeah guys, see, Kuya Ed said it, right? And plus, these people keep buying from us because they know that we are authentic. So, why don't you give it a try? You will not know it until you try it.
Wow, that's our life.
Another day of stealing other people's lines. Okay guys, so here is the journey on the way.
Gray.
Gray is the middle. It's like good.
What is the top? What is the highest one?
Because blue, it's too dark. It doesn't fit it. Kasi Pegasus is like an economic car. Black is too
So,
basic.
yan guys, ito yung morning dito sa Dubai guys. Yan. So, yan, hindi masyado busy. It's Saturday. Medyo relax yung mga tao ngayon. Pa-chill-chill lang. So, look at that. Ito yung Dira side ng Dubai. So yan, nakikita natin. So it's a beautiful morning kahit na mainit, but life is still going on and yeah, still beautiful. Look at that. People are happy, people are working together with their loved ones. So this world should be like that, you know, full of love, full of caring, full of loving, and yeah, Film Collection.
And full of collections.
So yan guys, ito yung first drop natin, first delivery. Si Madam dito to sa Mayrigas. Yalla Madam, bye bye. Come quickly.
Yes.
You want to go? Tama din. So yan guys, ito yung unang delivery natin. Dito lang to sa Mayriga, malapit sa Mayriga station. So yan, ang next delivery natin, pupunta tayo ng Dafza.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
So, yan guys, ka-drop lang natin ang pangalawang delivery. So yan, dito banda sa may Dafza. So yan. So after this, pupunta tayo sa Karate Kid ni Ishan. Yan, Ishan is going for karate. Wow! You're ready to make karate?
I want to kick your face.
Si Bastos. Today she will go to UFC, okay? You will go to UFC fighting champion.
A bit too early.
Wow. Look, Ishan.
Yeah.
I think it's okay.
You need a little bit big. No.
Sige. Kun.
This okay.
Wow. Look at that. It's okay or big?
This one.
It's okay. Picture it.
Hey, son,
Like this.
shake.
The blue coming outside.
You're a white.
I think this one's small.
After you will become brown belt.
Itch.
Now you have a black white belt now.
Hey,
Any before
hey,
any
itch. Hey,
So look at that, guys. It's guys,
First
Ishan,
time.
first time.
This is
Yeah.
your first
Sure.
time, huh?
straight.
Wow.
Go.
Look at that.
Run.
Show it.
Itch.
Remove the
Hutch.
shorts and go there.
Kick.
Video, photo.
Wow, look at that. Oh.
Itch.
Your pink belt.
Yeah, good. It's big, smart.
Son,
There.
shake.
Kata,
Go.
wow. Kata. Look at that. Tingnan ni si Ishan, guys, oh.
Itch. Hutch.
Picture it. Look, Ishan, guys, oh.
Jump.
Wow.
Support your friends.
Hey.